All right, so trade recap for today. Um, so reminder that yesterday you did not take a trade because it was choppy, and today is a no news Monday. So unless you get a good structure, like you can go hit the gym early today, right? Yeah, I'm out of breath, but so I just opened charts and we're at all-time high. So we're respecting bullish structure fairly well on the 1 hour, especially, right? So what I was looking at was this right here on the 1 hour, right? Market open at like right here. Yeah. Well, we open right here. So first of all, we had a range last Sunday night, which I watched this whole thing, bro. Oh my. I watched this whole thing. So we had a range, right? Like this, and we broke out of it, right? And we broke out of it with proper displacement, right? And then on the 1 hour, like, I mean, any time frame, but especially like the 1 hour, right? We pump up, take all time highs again. Then we take all time highs, we create a 1 hour gap. We respectively displace up, we go up. Then you know what I mean? Like, we're just going up, right? So we had a range. So yeah, we broke that range on Sunday night. So we're bullish until proven otherwise today. So at 9:17, the 5 minute looks bearish. So 9:17. Oh yeah, this looked very bearish. At 9:17, right here, right? Well, it was right here, so 9:15, right 15. So we're pumping up, right? We're pumping up, and then we get like one high, low, one high, low. Like we felt to go higher, right? So I had like something like this in mind, right? I thought we were just gonna go down to at least take this pre-market low, right? So on the 1 minute it was like this, right? So 9:17 right here, yeah, like this right here. I saw like this Diddy candle. I was like, all right, bet. So 9:17, I was like, okay, we're most likely just gonna grab this loop, right? So we got we got straight bullish candles. I think it's time for a couple bearish candles, what, right? So like, bro, we got straight up. Like I thought this was gonna be the move down, but because on the 1 hour we only got bullish candles. Like even from Friday, bro. Even from Friday. Dude, are you kidding me? It's straight bullish. There's no black candles, bro. So 922 displacing towards that draw, right? So we're displacing to that draw. Market just opened and we flew to all-time high. So we came right here, 922, right? We displaced, but we reversed, and then like we respected, I guess, the trend line, like I guess like bearish structure, right? Then we come down again, right? Pre-market. Yo, our market open, we pump to all-time high, we take all-time high. We literally just take all-time high. And then yeah, so then we come down. I didn't take anything right here because like it was moving crazy. Um So yeah, and so we took out the draw. We stepped up on all-time high with proper bearish displacement. So 939 right now, price showing bullish, but I'm not comfortable taking long. So 939, where's 939? 939. Yeah, so 939 right here, right? So 939 right here. It's showing like because we took out the pre-market swing low, right? And by the way, this 4 hour bullish gap got created at 10 a.m. So it only got created like after this, right? So I guess here would be the good spot to put it, right? It only got like this was not existing yet. So we took out this low, right? And like we were showing bullish, right? We pump up, we take all time highs, we come down, we take the draw, then we displace, we inverse this, and then we fucking leave a hammer candle. And then like I don't know, I was like low-key looking for a long off of this, but um it straight up just dumped. Um so I'm not comfortable taking longs, especially that since all-time high already got taken out, right? So like all-time high already got taken out. Yes, this is all-time high again, but like it's not the same type of all-time high. Like, this is like a lot of like this just happened so quick, right? So 942, so 943 right now we're low-key forming a range. So this is when I kind of realized that 943, like right here, right? Like I was looking up, like oh, yes, this is a range, but also this is a range, right? So all of this, like it's a whole rectangle, right? Like it's a whole box, right? So I was like, and then um. So if we don't start displacing lower, might have to call it quits. So I just came back on charts. It's 10:05 right now, but we're back at all-time high after insane chop. So 10:05, yeah, so 10:05 right here, yeah. So we came back to all-time high after like crazy chop, right? So yep. And then mm, 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 1022 right now, shorts at a 4 gap, it looks nice. I was like, okay, if we're gonna be bullish, what does price need to retrace into for us to go higher, right? So 1022, right here. Yeah, so like 1022 right here, we were showing like we took out on high again, then we were showing like proper bearish, right? Especially this candle, we were showing proper bearish momentum, right? To go like in this so this was no longer existent. So it was this, the flower bullish gap, which was right here, right? So if we're gonna be bullish, what does price need to retrace into for us to go higher, right? So we had this. And first of all, what I was looking at was first of all, I mean, I wasn't looking at this, but now that I see it, it's good to have it kept on. So this trend line wouldn't break below it, right? And I was waiting for this placement, like here, because on the 5 minute, right, we created a gap. We created a gap right here. I was waiting for a tap back and like we displaced lower. I would have entered like something, I guess, like I don't know, the high of this candle, right? So like this, targeting this, break even, I don't know, somewhere. And yeah, but we never ended up getting it right. So we tapped in this 5 minute right here, and then we just disrespected it completely. And then after disrespecting it, right? So 10:32 right now, still nada, like still nothing. About to hit gym and come back. But by 11, I'm closing everything. Like I don't want to be looking at the charts. Yes, that's because I'm journaling, but by the way, good long right now at 10:33, but no. So a good long right here. And now that I look at it, because I was so focused on bearish, and I did the same thing yesterday night. Or when was it? Oh no, it was Friday night. It was Friday night. Well, even yesterday, I was just focused on bearish, right? Um, but like this looks really nice because well, first of all, I didn't have this marked out, but if I had this marked out, would it be even better because like now we're respecting bullet structure, right? And like this 5 minute got disrespected like so heavily, and like right here, right? We created this 1 minute beautiful gap. So the first long that I thought of taking was like literally like right here, with my stop, like right here, yeah, targeting 900 targeting 900. So this would have been the first long, which would have been, I guess, kind of risky, right? Anyway, I would have got stopped out at break even for sure because I would have target 900. Reason why is because it's like a psych level. So like you can target whatever when it's at all-time high, right? You can just go for a 101, you can just go for whatever. But I was like initially like looking for this. And then we had this. We had another pull because this gap was pretty big, right? We had another pullback. Then I thought of entering like literally right here with my stop right here. Um and 888, where was it? 888. 8, so I was thinking like of well, first of all, I was thinking of this, first of all, right? This type of trade off of this right here. But then, um, oh no, what am I saying, bro? So what I was thinking was this right here, yeah. So targeting 900, yeah. And then after we had this pullback again, and we displaced higher with like we closed above here, yeah, I would have like trailed my stop right here, and it would have been like a 2.37 RR. And then like bro, because I like the number eight, so I was most likely gonna just close at 888 right here, especially that price started to get choppy. Like if I had my TP right here, um, I mean, I don't know, but like this is just what the like a trade that I had in mind. And it's really good because we're bullish, but I was just so focused on bearish, right? The reason why I was so focused on bearish was super simple. It's like, dude, we're just so overextended and we have all of this. We have new week opening up, we have this, like so much, which eventually is gonna get taken out, and we just have to be ready when it does. But if it's not a market open, it's not a market open, and that's it, right? So that's it. Yeah. So today, so that's the reason for why no trades today. So why no trades today? So first of all, price. Well, I was focused on on shorts when so I was focused on shorts. I know what I mean by that, right? So and price was choppy. Price was choppy. Um what can I do better next time? Try to be open-minded, bro. Stop looking at one uh, only one angle. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong today? Bro, this setup was really, really clean. Especially like this one right here. Like it would have most likely been break even, but still, like this is a really good trade with this facing up, especially with the trend line that I had marked out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What did I do wrong today? So, um, bro, I felt like market owed me some, as if I get to decide when it goes lower. Also was so focused on bearish shutups when we were all-time high. Um, what did I do right? What did I do right today? So, well, I wasn't on the charts, so I wasn't glued to the charts after like, um, after like 9:50. I was like, bro, it's chop. Let me come back and let me come back again. All right, so that's pretty much it for today. Beautiful, beautiful day. Really beautiful day. Wow. I learned so much. I literally learned so much. I learned so much. I learned so much. I learned so much today. Yep, yep, yep. I learned so much. All right, cool.